Hello dear students. So we are going to start the topic longitudes. Longitudes are also known as meridians. What they are known as? Meridians. These are imaginary lines that run from North Pole to the South Pole. From where to where? They run from North Pole to South Pole. They too are numbered like लैटिट्यूड्स. जैसे हमने लैटिट्यूड्स को नंबर किया था 1 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 2 डिग्री नॉर्थ और 1 डिग्री साउथ, 2 डिग्री साउथ. इन द सेम वे हम लॉन्गिट्यूड्स को भी नंबर करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू एन इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट, एक इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग, द लॉन्गिट्यूड पासिंग थ्रू द रॉयल ऑब्जर्वेटरी एट ग्रीनविच इन इंग्लैंड, यूनाइटेड किंगडम इज एक्सेप्टेड एज 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड. 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड कौन सी लॉन्गिट्यूड को कहा गया है? द लॉन्गिट्यूड विच पासिस थ्रू ग्रीनविच इन इंग्लैंड. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड? इट इज नेम्ड एज प्राइम मेरिडियन. द प्राइम मेरिडियन इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट फॉर मेजरिंग लॉन्गिट्यूड्स. जैसे लैटिट्यूड्स को मेजर करने के लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इक्वेटर होता है, इन द सेम वे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स को मेजर करने के लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट प्राइम मेरिडियन होता है. अदर लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर ड्रॉन टू द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट ऑफ दिस प्राइम मेरिडियन. लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड longitudes with the help of the diagram. So first of all, this is the longitude which is also named as prime meridian and it is at 0 degree. Okay, so what is the degree? It is at 0 degree. This prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. Okay, this prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves or two equal parts. The area on the east side of this prime meridian is known as eastern hemisphere and the area on the west side of this prime meridian is known as western hemisphere. The area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree east. This is 0 degree longitude and the last one to the east side is 180 degree east. 180 degree east. The area is known as eastern hemisphere and the area from 0 degree to the 180 degree west is known as western hemisphere. However, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude. Okay, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is known as 180 degree or international dateline. Okay, what it is known as? International dateline. So as we have numbered the latitudes, in the same way we also number the longitudes. If we move towards east, the longitudes will be named as 1 degree east, 2 degree east, 3 degree east, and in the same way, if we move to the west side, the latitudes will be named as 1 degree west, 2 degree west, up to 180 degree west. The distance between two longitudes is maximum at the equator. So this is the equator and here the distance between the two longitudes is maximum. यहाँ पर distance maximum होता है. Here the distance is maximum. And you can see in the picture also when we are moving towards the poles. जब हम poles की तरफ move कर रहे हैं तो distance क्या हो रहा है? The distance is decreasing. Next topic is grid. Longitudes and latitudes crisscross each other to form a network of lines and that is known as a grid. The point in the grid where latitudes and longitudes intersect each other is known as a coordinate. I hope you have understood the topic. Today's video question is, what is the degree of prime meridian? Thank you and have a nice day.